You motherfuckers at the back. I don't care if that's where the bar is. You don't need your drinks now. You just go ahead. All the drugs you need. That's right. I'm the inebriant. That's what I'm saying. I'm gonna be expedient. I'm like Expedia.com. All I'm gonna do is be not the bomb. Maybe I'm gonna be the bomb. Who's to say? It's just a phrase. Either way, you know how it goes. Round the way. Round which way? Round Slovenia. If I was a girl, I'd be called Abstemia. That's a name that means temperance. It's not a real one. I just made it up. Like severance pay from when last time I did.
You could do anything in the music, but instead you're doing kind of everything by little bits.
I know, I'm fucking insane. I'm sure I'm insane. The more I do what I do, the more I can become convinced I'm mad.
Yeah, see, that didn't make any sense, which is why I've just decided to talk shit like this, you see. Repeat after me. Say,
I used to write songs since I was like 5 on the piano, and some of them were like, yeah, like pop songs and stuff, but that's when I was like 5. But I've never wanted to be like a pop person. I don't like pop music. It's funny, anywhere you go in the world, pop music sucks. Yeah. Like anywhere, doesn't matter where you go. Pop music is basically music for people who don't love music. It's music made by people who want money, for people who are indifferent to music.
What about that?
What's your favorite sound?
That's it. Still. Or maybe or any of them.
Nice, it's nice to see. Because I tell you what, I came from Spain yesterday, I went to London, I went from London, I went to fucking Ljubljana, because the flight was fucking 3 hours delayed and shit, and then I had to get a coach, and I'm here, I didn't get back till 5 in the morning and shit, all for you motherfuckers! I don't mean to call you motherfuckers, I'm sure many of you have never fucked a mother in your life. But here we go. I'm gonna do this now. I'm gonna go.
Are you a simple man?
I'm a very complicated man. Very
Explain it.
Well, there's like billions and billions of neurons in my head which are connected in trillions and trillions of ways. Yeah, none of those ways are very effective, but yeah, there's complexity there. Overall, the emergent properties of all this complexity is basically foolishness and idiocy. But yeah, there's complexity underlying all the foolishness.
Beardyman, and that's my name. I do shit that is insane. Say Beardyman, and that's my name. I do shit that is insane. Say Beardyman, and that's my name. I do shit that is insane.
The people that are into the most hardcore music are often the most gentle, kind people. You know, like you go to a metal gig and everyone's moshing, they'll fucking pick you up if you fall on the ground, generally. Or if it's like, you know, if it's really hardcore dance music or something, like, you know, if someone drops a contact lens and fucking a circle forms on the dance floor and everyone's looking for it and shit, you know. But you go to a pop music gig and there'll be fights. You know, some bar where they're just playing shit music, that's where you find the fights. Generally, music's kind of a religious experience where fighting tends not to break out if people are there for the music.